Hey guys, welcome to a new video, and I have finally figured out what to do. So, I'm not going to do it just yet. I'm going to be showing you guys my dog. That's not the video, okay? It's just an addition to it. Moxon, come here. Moxon is a dog. He is a terrier, I believe. Michael to Georgie. And his name is Moxon. He's a mutt. Okay, so the real video is I'm going to be showing you how lucky people fall and how unlucky people fall. Let's get into it. Okay, first is how unlucky people fall. Whoa. Like it's just me. Okay. Next is how lucky people fall. Do, 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 do. Let's go. Next is how I fall. Hi, bestie. I miss you so much. Okay, it's okay. Okay. Catch. I have to clean that up. I'll see you guys next time. Make sure you like, subscribe, turn on those post notification bells, and I will see you all next. Goodbye.